अभी भी हमने एक टॉक रखा, टाइटल था किसी फिल्म के डायलॉग पे, हाउस द जोश। अगर मैं पूछता हूँ आपसे तो क्या होगा?
हाय सर।
हाय।
ग्रेट।
हेलो।
Yes. Okay. So we go to the first word, that is called a random experiment. एक्सपेरिमेंट यानी कुछ हम एक्सपेरिमेंट कर रहे हैं जिसका कोई आउटकम आने वाला है, कोई परिणाम आने वाला है. So that is what we call a random experiment. Why do we add the word random? We use the word random because these are such experiments where output cannot be predicted. गुजराती में हम बहुत सिंपली कहते हैं कि पासा फेंकना, राइट? तो उसके ऊपर 6 सरफेसेस होते हैं जहां पे 1 2 3 4 5 6 आउटकम्स हो सकते हैं. सो अगर आप एक ये 6 में से कुछ एक मिलने वाला है ऊपर, लेकिन ये नहीं पता कि एग्जैक्टली, तो हम कहते हैं कि भाई ये रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट है. दिस वन मोर, सेलेक्टिंग ए प्ले कार्ड फ्रॉम 52 कार्ड्स, एग्जैक्टली कौन सा कार्ड हमने हाथ में. These are few examples of random experiment. Can anyone give me one example of a random experiment where you know all possible outcomes, but you don't know a particular outcome when you're पता है लेकिन ट्रायल करा? और बहुत ऐसा केस है. Can anybody tell me how many total 8 possibilities are there? Okay. When I was looking at your exam papers of previous years, I could see that this is a very favorite case for the paper sales. ये एग्जाम ज्यादा दिखते हैं कि भाई एक कॉइन 3 बार टॉस किया जाता है या 3 कॉइन्स टॉस किए जाते हैं. टॉपिक है एग्जाम बायोलॉजिकल साइंसेस के लिए, sample space of tossing a coin 3 times. Biological sciences के लिए sample space of tossing a coin 3 times. Okay. Next is a sample space. Suppose you are throwing a die. Okay, the sample space is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Suppose you are selecting play card from a pack of cards. Then there are 52 outcomes. So I'll just put the dots here. There are 52 possible outcomes. Okay, one more is elite or a subset of a sample space. For example, when we take the case of tossing a coin 2 times, we HH, HT, TH or TT. One of TT getting tail both the times, one of the events. Or it subset event is that you are getting same thing both the times. Same thing both the times means that either you'll be getting dead both the times or you'll be getting dead both the times. So HH or TT, that is a combined event, so we can call it an event. Okay, so that's an event containing 2 elements of a sample space. So that is what we call an event. Now if you look at the events, we can broadly classify them into 3 parts. The first part is impossible events. कई बार हम कहते हैं कि it is impossible. Yesterday only I got some message I read that was a nice quote, a very small quote, that impossible is opinion. I like this quote very much. ये impossible कुछ होता नहीं, लेकिन वो philosophical बातें छोड़ दें, तो there are some impossible events. For example, आज रात नहीं होगी, ऐसा तो होने वाला ही है, रात तो होने वाली ही है, तो रात न होना ये इम्पॉसिबल इवेंट है. Can you give me an example of an impossible event?
Sun rising
from the west. Okay. Right. वो तो होने वाला ही नहीं है. Sun always rises in the east. So that is an impossible event. Okay. The second category is sure events. हमें पता है कि ये होने ही वाला है. Okay. So अच्छा, हम जब ये कहते हैं So once again, as I said, sun rises in the west. That is impossible. We'll say sun is a sure event. ये होने वाला है. Anyone sure event from your side?
Earth revolves around the sun.
वाह, एग्जाम्पल भी देखो, साइंस कह रहे हैं सारे. सो दैट इज अ श्योर event. जो इम्पॉसिबल नहीं है, श्योर भी नहीं है, उस इसी कैटेगरी में डाल सकते हैं कि जो प्रोबेबल इवेंट्स है, हो भी सकती है, नहीं भी हो सकती. सो देयर आर 3 kind of events we can say. Okay, let's come to the mathematical aspect. If there is an impossible event, we'll say that oh, is not possible. Probability, numerical value is, so the lowest probability is 0. That will be helpful if you want to make a simple space for 4 points. So you can see how we arrived at 3 points sample space from 2 points sample space.
Power of 2, we can say.
Oh yes, that is the number of cases. Let's say for 2 points it was 2 raised to 2. For 3 points it is 2 raised to 3. That is for the total number of cases. पहले 4 थे, 2 raised to 2, then 2 raised to 3, there are 8. अगर बिना झंझट के फटाफट बन जाए ऐसा कोई तरीका 2 coins और 3 coins के बीच में. ये अगर coins के ऊपर से 4 coins पर जाने में आसानी हो जाएगी.
Sir, the party is कि you take head.
Okay.
And then जो भी outcome हुआ वो second या third ऐसा लेके जाइए maybe.
Okay, that's one way. Okay, but I wanted the relation 2 coins and 3 cases. मान के इसके ऊपर से 4 coin का बनना है. Okay, complicated पूछा नहीं गया है आपको. Complicated है भी नहीं. अगर 2 से 3 पैसे पता चला तो 3 से 4 पे पूछने में बड़ा आसान हो जाएगा. यानी क्या आपको पता है, जैसे ज्यादा कॉइंस होंगे ना तो फिर बार-बार देखना पड़ेगा कि आगे आ तो नहीं गया है. फॉर एग्जांपल एचटीटी तो बोलेगा कहीं आगे एचटीटी आ तो नहीं गया है, वो देखना पड़ता रहेगा. अगर आप नेचुरल वे में करेंगे तो देखते रहना पड़ेगा.
So maybe through set equation.
Okay. I still give you a few seconds more if you can find the relationship in these 2 simple spaces which appear on the screen.
Sir,
Yeah.
can we put one time H and one time T in the form?
That is exactly what I wanted from you, and I'm so happy that before I talk about it, you could find it. When you look at the first space for 2 points, the first element was HH. This HH will give 2 different cases in the next part. Look at the first 2 elements here. तो देखिए उसमें HH ही है पहले तो, लेकिन बाद में एक बार आपने H लगा दिया, दूसरी बार आपने T लगा दिया. यानी 2 कोई वाला जो स्पेस था HH, उसमें लास्ट में एक बार H लगाइए, दूसरी बार T लगाइए, तो ये HS में से 2 एलिमेंट का जन्म होगा. उसी तरह नेक्स्ट जो था HT, HT के ऊपर से 2 एलिमेंट्स बनेंगे HT के ऊपर से. HT के ऊपर से कौन से 2 बनेंगे?
HTH
and
HTT.
Exactly. HTH and HTT. यानी पहले 2 तो HT ही रहेंगे, बाद में एक बार H एक बार T. Similarly from TH you get THH and THT, and finally TT will give you TTH and TTT. Therefore if you want to go from 3 to 4, look at this. This is a simple space. You make it sample space for 4 bonds. Okay, then what will you have? First element is HHH. तो वहां पर पहला एलिमेंट क्या होगा? पहले 2 एलिमेंट्स
HHH or HHHT.
exactly HHH HHHT. Similarly, the next element HH will give you 2 more elements HSTH HSTT. एक कोइन बढ़ाते तो एक एलिमेंट के ऊपर से 2 एलिमेंट्स मिल जाते हैं नेक्स्ट सिंपल स्पेस. This only. Okay, good. And now we come back to our question. It was this: you want the probability of getting 2 heads and 1 tail. You want the probability of getting 2 heads and 1 tail. 2 head आते हो, 1 tail आता हो. Okay, 2 head आता हो, 1 tail आता हो. Yellow fun 1 tail. चेक कर लीजिए, कोई रह तो नहीं गया. 2 head 1 tail. आगे सर, येलो फन में वो है जो फेवरेबल केसेस है हमारे लिए, जिसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी हमें चाहिए, राइट? टेल 3 coin or coin flipping 3 times. A fair coin is flipped 3 times, and the probability of getting at least 1 tail, so more than 1 tails are permissible. Okay, a similar story. Simple space is this, having 8 elements. You want at least 1 tail. So favorable cases are marked in yellow. How many cases?
7.
You want at least 1 tail. Okay. So if you want at least 1 tail, so only HHH is the case where tail is not appearing. In the rest of the cases, you get T at least once or more than once. So 7 by 8 is the probability. And now we go to the third example. Again, a coin tossed 3 times. ये भी कहीं पे IIT JAM का ही क्वेश्चन है. मैं देख लेता हूँ कौन से साल में पूछा गया. The case is that if a coin is tossed 3 times, then find the probability that no 2 successive processes show the same face. Okay. No 2 processes show the same face. क्या लगता है? How many favorable cases?
6 into 7 and 6 into 8.
Just a second. Where this example was. Yeah, this was in JAM 2020. Oh, अभी इसी साल पूछा गया था, यानी just a few months back. Okay. We go to this. For 3 coins, we have HHH, HST, HTT, and STH, and so on. Now, what we want is no 2 successive processes show the same face. नीचे favorable cases दिए गए हैं. मुझे बताइए इसको येलो किया जाए, कौन से येलो कलर में आने चाहिए?
HHTTT. तो
no 2 successive process show the same face. Yes, successive process में same face नहीं आना चाहिए. H बोलेंगे तो H के बाद वापस H आया.
HTH
HST में भी तो एक बार H आया.
HTH और THT.
Oh, it is. तो HHS नहीं काम आएगा. नहीं काम आएगा. ये HST भी नहीं काम आएगा. Yeah, HTH is fine. Okay, so this will be HTT आएगा कि नहीं आएगा काम?
नहीं आएगा.
नहीं आएगा. So what is next? HST. What is the probability?
2 by 8 means 4.
Yeah, 2 by 8 is 1 by
1 by 4.
4.
Okay. So this is that. This case is a little similar one, but not exactly the coin case. We go to this next case. There is a PhD student who visits 3 research stations, X, Y, and Z, in a random order to collect some samples. Probability that The student visits research center Y before visiting research center Z. तो अगर आप बता सकते हैं what will be the simple space? What will be the simple space?
X, Y, X, Z, Y.
X, Y, Z and Z, Y. Good. कॉइन 3 बार होता था या 3 कॉइन होते थे, यहाँ पे 3 रिसर्च स्टेशन है। सैंपल स्पेस में कितने एलिमेंट्स आएंगे, कोई मुझे बताएगा क्या? यस, जाओ। I want a simple space from you, right? Yeah, isn't this very easy? How many elements in a sample space? Sample space, only 3 elements.
6.
3 or 6. By the way, this example from JAM 2016. Yeah, sample space is 3 elements or 6 elements. 3 elements वाले बताएंगे कौन से 3 elements आएंगे? There is a PhD student visiting 3 research students X, Y, and Z. तो हो सकता है कि वो बिल्कुल लाइन में जाएं, X, then Y, then Z. तो पहला possibility तो ये हुआ X, Z. The second possibility is he goes to X and then Z and then Y. So X, Z, Y is the second possibility. What are the other possibilities?
Z, Y, X, Y,
Good.
Y,
Okay.
X,
Okay.
then
Z.
Z, X, Y,
Okay.
Y, Z, X, नहीं ये तो आ गया।
अरे काम कर, ज्यादा कंफ्यूजन नहीं बढ़ाने के लिए पहले कैपिटल X से स्टार्ट करते हैं। कैपिटल X इज फर्स्ट, पहले तो X पे जाता है। तो X तो पहला है ही। X पे गया तो X से शुरू होते हुए एलिमेंट्स कौन कौन से हैं? X के बाद में Y और Z बचते हैं, या तो Y पे जाएगा पहले या Z पे पहले जाएगा। So if you start with X, there are 2 options: X, Y, Z or X, Z, Y. Is this fine? Now he goes to Y first. If he goes to Y first, what are the two cases?
YXZ and YZ.
Exactly, YXZ and YZX. And suppose Z is first.
ZXY and ZYX.
Wonderful. So how many cases? Okay, yeah, either X was first or Y was Z. So there are 6 cases. Now what they want is, they want the probability that the student visits research center Y Z. And Y पहले जाना चाहिए, Z बाद में. तो पहला तो X Y Z हो गया, X Y Z पहले बाद में Z आया है. ओके, उसके बाद जहां पर Y पहले है, ऐसा एक केस है YXZ, उसमें भी Y पहले आएगा, Z बाद में आएगा. ओके, उसमें भी Y पहले आया है, Z बाद में आया है. लेकिन वो दो केस नहीं काम आएंगे, ZXY या ZYX वाले, क्योंकि उसमें तो Z पहले आता है, तो वो तो निकल ही जाएंगे. राइट. So there are Y comes first before Z. Okay, so 3 out of 6 is the probability.
1 by 2.
By 2. Good. So that is 1 by 2. And as I say, it is JAM 2016. Okay. Two simple examples. I was just looking on the website and I thought those small examples will give you some more idea about probability. So we have 4 examples, small 4 examples. It's a courtesy to this website, www.jagranjosh.com. These are the examples which I thought you might like to do. Can you do it fast? First is what I said.
4 by 2 आएगा सर आंसर.
पहले मैं ओके, एक काम करते हैं, आप बना रखें. ओके, फिर हम फटाफट डिस्कस कर लेंगे. 2 मिनट में आप बना लीजिए जवाब. Okay. Shall we go for the solutions quickly?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the first one. A die is thrown, probability of getting an even number. How many even numbers?
1, 3, 5.
Even numbers, yani 2, 4 or 6.
Oh, sorry.
So 2, 4, 6. So 3 even numbers out of 6. 3 out of 6, probability is 1 by 2.
1 by 2.
One.
Second one, coins. There are 2 coins. Probability of getting both heads. How many favorable cases? Only one.
1 by 8.
1 by 4.
1 by 4.
1 by 4.
1 by 4.
Yes. Good. 1 by 4. The next, 2 dice are thrown simultaneously. Probability of getting a sum of 9.
4 by 36.
4 by
4 by 36. When we get the sum to be 9, either if you are getting 4, 5
6 3
or 5, 4,
3 6
6, 3, 3, 6. Okay. These are the 4 possibilities. 4 and 5. पहले पे 4 मिला, दूसरे पे 5 मिला. 4 and 5 total 9 हो गया. So 4 5, then 5 4, then 6 3, and then 3 6. 4 possible cases. And total cases are
36.
36 when you are throwing 2 dice. So 4 by 36. So it is 1 by 9. Next, a box having 600 bulbs, out of which 12 are defective. Probability of a non-defective bulb. How many favorable cases?
588.
Yeah, out of 600.
587.
Out of 600, sir.
588.
Yeah, 588 out of 600. Right. So 588 are non-defective. They are favorable cases, and total are 600. So it is 588 upon 600. Okay. Good. A small exercise continues. Yeah. There is a jar having 24 marbles. Again, the same source actually. Jar having 24 marbles. Some are red and others are white. If a marble is drawn at random from the jar, the probability that it is red is 2 by 3. Then how many white marbles will be in the jar? Oh, ये तो थोड़ा टेढ़ा हो गया है. Probability दे दिया गया है.
1 by 3.
नहीं, number of white marbles. Number of white marbles तो 1 by 3 नहीं होगा ना. वो तो कोई number होगा, 5 या 10 या 15 या 16. कितने white marbles होंगे जार में? Total 24 marbles.
6.
16.
Okay, let us wait for others. Any other idea?
8 marbles.
8 red होंगे.
8 white marbles, sir.
उन्होंने वही पूछा, number of white marbles. 8 white marbles. Okay, how?
1 by 3 into 24.
Okay. Very good. Actually, the probability of red marble is 2 by 3. So probability of white marble is the rest of the probability, that is 1 minus 2 by 3, that is 1 by 3. And 1 by 3 into 24, that is one logic. The other logic is that probability of red is 2 by 3. लेकिन जब भी आप probability ढूंढते हैं तो नीचे कौन सा नंबर आना चाहिए? टोटल नंबर ऑफ केस आना चाहिए, और टोटल केस 24 होना चाहिए, राइट? क्योंकि 24 मार्बल हैं, तो नीचे प्रोबेबिलिटी में 24 होना चाहिए, लेकिन उन्होंने तो नीचे 3 दिया है. प्रोबेबिलिटी इज 2 by 3. तो नीचे 24 की जगह 3 हो गया, मतलब कि कैंसिलेशन हो गया है ऊपर नीचे कुछ. यानी नीचे वाले नंबर 3 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 24 आएगा? यू कैन
8.
मल्टीप्लाई विद 8. तो नीचे 8 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो तो ऊपर भी 8 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. So that will be 16 upon 24. Actually, ये जो 2/3 है, that is equivalent to 16 upon 24. 16 upon 24, लेकिन ये तो probability रेड की है, यानी रेड 16 है. अगर रेड 16 है, टोटल 24 है, तो व्हाइट कितने हुए? बाकी के 16 के अलावा. So there are 8
marbles.
white marbles. Okay. One more. There is a number selected at random from first 50 natural numbers. 1 से 50 नंबर में से सिलेक्ट किया जा रहा है. Probability that it is a multiple of 3 and 4 is multiple, यानी 3 के multiples कौन से होंगे? 3, 6, 9, 12 ऐसे.
Hello, sir, it is here.
Yes.
Yes, sir. We have 5 o'clock almost.
Oh, okay. Okay. So take this as an example, and hope you enjoy this process. How was it?
It was good, sir.
Okay, if you feel that we did very simple examples, then please remember that we did all the examples, all the examples other than this exercise, all the examples were from IIT JAM. So if you feel that we did very simple things, it's a very good motivation that in IIT JAM we have such simple examples asked. So thank you so much. It was a nice time with you all. And as time constraint is there, we'll have to stop. But thank you so much for having this wonderful experience. And thank you so much, Ritesh sir, and all team of microbiology department and all the chemistry departments and all other colleagues for such a wonderful show. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, on
Thank
the
you,
behalf
sir.
of Tolani College of Arts and Science and all the students, thank you so much for your time and earnest efforts for us and our students. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Students, you can leave this link and join the other link for valedictory function. For valedictory function. ये पता नहीं कितने रन करेंगे. हाँ.